Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the electric motor that powers the rear wiper in a Nissan Micra K11. This is a simple job that only takes a few minutes, and all we need is a few basic tools. Welcome to Cast by TV. Right. Step 1 is to remove the rear wiper arm. To do that, pull back this plastic cap, like so. That reveals this nut and spindle, both of which need to be sprayed with a generous squirt of lubricant to make them easier to separate. Bit more than that, bit down there as well, and a bit more for luck. To undo the nut, we need a 12mm socket, which, by an astonishing stroke of luck, I found down there. Hopefully this nut will undo easily. Cross your fingers. Oh yes, very easily indeed. It's important to drop it, that's always good practice. And we can now pull the wiper arm away from the car. We now move to the inside of the boot, where we find this large metal access panel that needs to be removed. This panel is partially held in place by 6 black plastic clips. There's one there, that's number 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, and can you guess what comes next? Correct. Number 6. Here's a close-up of one of the clips, and to remove it, grab a small flat-headed screwdriver, then pry out the central pin, like so, and try not to lose it. I probably will, but we'll try not to. Come on now. There we go. See that? The central pin has been removed, and now this piece needs to come out as well. So once again, we use a flat-headed screwdriver. Get behind there, give it a wiggle, and with a bit of luck, out it pops. That leaves us 5 more clips to go, which shouldn't take too long. There we go, the clips have been removed, and as we can see, the access panel is now loose. It's more or less ready to come off, but it is still held in place by a Phillips screw, which is all the way down there in the grab handle. So what we need now is a Phillips screwdriver. That'll do. So out comes the screw and the grab handle. And now, as if by magic, the panel comes away. Look at all these bits and pieces that make the car work. Isn't that just endlessly fascinating? Anyway, the electric motor that makes the rear wiper work is that thing up there. And our next task is to separate the motor from its electrical connector, which is that one there. So let's pull the electrical connector off its mount. Just like that. And now we'll press in this little clip by my thumb and hold it. And now with a little bit of luck and a little bit of wiggling, the connector will come apart. Come on now. There we are. We now need a 10mm socket to undo some bolts, but irritatingly, it's not in the car. So hang on. We got one around here somewhere. Right, that's an 18. That's a 14. These ones are Imperial, so they're no use. Aha! Found it. We now need to remove the 3 bolts that hold the motor in place. That's this one here, top left. This one here, top right, and, just for luck, this one here, bottom centre. Here comes the last bolt. And now the motor can be removed. Come on now. Out you come. Now, this electric motor is still sitting on its mounting bracket, and having looked at eBay, most second-hand motors come with that bracket, but if yours doesn't, it's easy enough to transfer it. Simply undo these 3 gold bolts with a 10mm socket. We've already done that. And now the mounting bracket just lifts off and can be transferred. And now, to put the car back together, it's just a case of reverse the process. I've already shown you. Oh dear, the motor's not working. It was working halfway through the reinstallation process though, because we tested it, as you saw, but now it isn't. See what I mean? The motor should now be spinning away quite happily, but we have absolutely nothing. I'm not worried though, because I think we simply have a flat battery, which is odd because this car's been run a lot recently and there have been no issues with the battery. Nonetheless, we shall give it a little bit of a boost and then hopefully all will be well. If not, we'll go back to the drawing board. Come on, old girl. Ooh. There we are. We've been successful. And that's how to replace the rear wiper motor on a Nissan Micra K11 when you have a flat battery. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Car Spy TV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video? And while you do those things, I'm going to tidy up. Bye-bye.